Now, if your intermatic 4-hour timer, 6-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour, 2-hour timer stops working, don't call an electrician. Go ahead and replace the timer. The timer does not cost that much. I'm simply going to take another timer and I'm going to replace the existing timer, and that's all there is to it. You don't have to pay. If you had an electrician come out here, oh sure, he'll look at it, and he probably already knows he's not going to be able to fix anything on the timer because everything is inside the timer. Okay, but he'll take your money. He'll charge you a $125 service call and then say, oh, I couldn't do anything, I'm going to have to replace your timer. I'll have to come back out again. I'll have to order the timer. I'll have to come back a second trip, charge you for 2 trips, rather than you going down to the store and ordering a 4-hour timer just like I did and replace it. There's no way an electrician is going to pull this apart and figure out what it is. There's a couple not even screws, it's kind of attached somewhat. I don't think you can take it out. You might be able to take it out with a special star fitting or something there, but I would not suggest taking this apart and messing with this, you know. They don't last forever, and especially if they've been used and abused, they are going to go out over time. I don't care what kind of timer you put in. An Intermatic, I'm just calling this an Intermatic because that's the name brand, and this is a very good commercial grade timer. So that's the kind that I always use when I'm putting 4-hour timers in for an air conditioner. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is we got to shut that off. Now, basically, you want to locate your sub panel, and I happen to know for a fact the sub panel is behind this picture right here. And so I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to look at this. AC living room is number 15, and these are odd, even on this side, odd on this side. You look at your panel schedule and usually you'll see that's the case. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Number 15, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 13, 15. I'm going to shut that off and double check. Whoa. I'm going to double check that and make sure it has shut off. I don't make any assumptions. Go out here and double check that, and sure enough, it's quiet out here. So I know that power is off. The main power from the panel is here. You turn this on, you throw the power over to the air conditioner plug in there. That turns on your air conditioner. I've got all the power is right here. Simply undo this, take this out, install the new one. That's pretty much all there is to it. But I know you want to keep watching this. That's fine. That's what I'm here for. The first thing I got to do, I got to get in there and get this armoire moved. So I got enough room. Make sure the wires for the TV have enough slop so I don't crank those out of the wall. Okay, I think I got enough room right there. I think that'll give you enough room to see what's going on with that. Let's get you kind of in here, situated. And the first thing, I'm getting right down to the nitty-gritty right away. The first thing I have to do, let me get this in here, is I've got to take this handle off. And that could be tricky in itself because you want to take this top off and you try to take the bottom off, and then it rocks the top back in and back and forth until your fingers feel like they're gonna fall off. So you want two different things. Here's a stiff putty knife. Now I'm going to put that in on one side. I'll put the screwdriver in at the bottom, let's say. I'm going to tweak at the top and at the bottom, a little bit at the same time, both of them. I get it far enough, and then I can pull that off. Okay, just like that. Now sometimes these are plastic too. You might be able to pull them straight off after they get worn. Okay? Just be ready for whatever you need to do. There's a little nut right there. So I'm going to loosen up that nut. That holds on the trim cover. And feasibly, I could use the same trim cover if I wanted. And now, I'm just going to unscrew that. Might have to get you resituated. I'm going to get you in here at a different angle. Okay. Show you the next coming up. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.